I give this hadith a lot of importance, brother. I feel it's very important because it puts on our shoulder a greater responsibility as a non-speaking Arabic people, قال رسول الله, Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, خيركم, the best amongst you. What is it? خيركم, the best amongst you. Who is best amongst you? Man ta'allama al-Qur'ana fa'allamahu. The best amongst you is the one who learns the Quran and then teaches it, brother. Whom Allah did Prophet ﷺ address this? Whom did he address this, brothers and sisters? No, he did not address to us. He addressed to the people around him at that time who already knew what did they know? They already knew the Arabic. Are you with me? So if you already know the Arabic, then you must study Quran and then teach others. So this hadith is so very important for us, brother, sister, but we miss the meaning. So this hadith was addressed to Ashabis around him, to his companions who already spoke perfect Arabic. And it was told to them that you must study Quran and then teach. But then now we take that hadith and we find that it is a very magnificent hadith. But I already have a weakness. And what is my weakness? I don't know Arabic. So brother, if I don't know Arabic, how can I study Quran? You tell me. So I have two responsibilities. What are those? To study the language and then study the Quran. Otherwise, I will not get any benefit out of it. So, brothers and sisters, you study the language so that you can study the Quran very well. And then how will you teach the Quran? If somebody doesn't know Arabic, then you got to teach him the Arabic so that he can study the Quran. Can you imagine, Brother Hassan, how big the responsibilities on us? They only had to teach the Quran because everybody knew Arabic. Now we have a double responsibility that we must learn the language of the Quran and then we must study. Now when you want to teach somebody, then you got to teach them both the things, the language and the Quran. Then the benefit will be maximum. The benefit will be maximum. Otherwise, the benefit is very marginal, brothers and sisters. I give this hadith a lot of importance, brother. I feel it's very important because it puts on our shoulder a greater responsibility as a non-speaking Arabic people,